Hello and welcome to our channel, Top 10s You Should Know. Today we're diving into something that so many of us struggle with, snacking. So in this video, we'll explore the top 15 healthy snacks for weight loss, each of them tasty, satisfying, and supportive of your health journey. Stick with me till the end, because some of these might surprise you, and they might just change how you snack forever. 1. Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt is one of the best snacks you can have when trying to lose weight, and when you pair it with fresh berries, you get a powerhouse of protein, probiotics, and antioxidants all in one. Greek yogurt has nearly double the protein compared to regular yogurt, which helps keep you full and reduces your appetite later in the day. Meanwhile, berries like blueberries, raspberries, or strawberries are naturally sweet but low in sugar, making them a perfect way to satisfy that sweet tooth without the crash. Together, they not only stabilize blood sugar levels, but also nourish your gut health, which is directly linked to metabolism and weight management. 2. Apple slices with almond butter. This snack is a classic for a reason. It's delicious, satisfying, and perfectly balanced. Apples provide fiber, water, and natural sweetness, while almond butter gives you healthy fats and plant-based protein that keep you full. The combination of crunch from the apple and creaminess from the almond butter feels like comfort food, but actually supports weight loss by preventing energy crashes. The natural sugars in apples are released slowly thanks to the fats and protein in the almond butter, meaning you won't feel that sugar rush and crash afterward. Plus, apples contain pectin, a type of fiber that promotes fullness and better digestion. 3. Hummus with veggie sticks. Sometimes, the best snacks are also the simplest. Hummus, made from chickpeas, olive oil, tahini, and lemon, is packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Pairing it with crunchy vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, bell peppers, or celery gives you a nutrient-dense, low-calorie snack that feels satisfying without weighing you down. This combo is especially powerful because the protein in hummus and the fiber in veggies work together to regulate appetite and keep you full for hours. And let's be honest, there's something so satisfying about dipping a crisp carrot stick into creamy hummus. 4. Cottage cheese with pineapple. Cottage cheese often doesn't get enough credit, but it's one of the highest protein snacks you can eat while being incredibly low in calories. Pair it with pineapple chunks, and you get that sweet and savory flavor combo that's both refreshing and satisfying. Cottage cheese is rich in casein protein, which digests slowly and keeps you fuller for longer, great for late-night snacking without overindulging. Pineapple, on the other hand, contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion and reduces bloating, making it an excellent choice for anyone on a weight loss journey. Together, they create a light, filling snack that curbs hunger while helping your body feel less heavy. 5. Rice cakes with avocado. Rice cakes are often dismissed as sea salt, black pepper, and maybe a dash of chili flakes, and you've got a crunchy, creamy snack that keeps you full. Avocados are loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber, which not only help control appetite, but also stabilize blood sugar levels. Unlike empty-calorie snacks like chips or crackers, rice cakes with avocado provide a satisfying crunch and a rich texture that feels indulgent without sabotaging your goals. 6. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are one of the most underrated weight loss snacks. They're portable, affordable, and packed with high-quality protein and healthy fats that keep hunger at bay. Just one egg has around 6 grams of protein, plus vital nutrients like vitamin B12 and choline, which support metabolism and brain health. Snacking on hard-boiled eggs can help reduce cravings later in the day, meaning you're less likely to reach for something processed or sugary. They're also super versatile. You can eat them plain with a pinch of salt and pepper, or slice them over a salad for an energy boost. Number 7. Nuts and seeds mix. A small handful of nuts and seeds might be one of the most effective snacks for long-term weight control. Almonds, walnuts, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, all the things that keep you full and prevent overeating. Despite being calorie-dense, studies show that people who snack on nuts regularly actually maintain healthier body weights because these nutrients improve satiety and regulate hormones related to appetite. The key is portion control. Aim for a small handful, about quarter cup. 8. Dark chocolate with almonds. Yes, chocolate can be part of a weight loss diet if you choose wisely. Dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa, paired with almonds creates a snack that feels indulgent but actually works in your favor. Dark chocolate contains antioxidants called flavonoids, which support heart health and reduce inflammation. Almonds add crunch, protein, and healthy fats that help balance blood sugar levels. Together, they make a satisfying snack that not only curbs your sweet cravings, but also keeps you from overindulging in less healthy desserts. 9. Edamame. Edamame, or steamed young soybeans, is an excellent plant-based snack that's high in protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Just 1 cup of edamame has around 17 grams of protein, making it one of the best snacks to crush hunger and build lean muscle while losing weight. The fiber content helps regulate digestion and keeps you feeling satisfied, while the amino acids in soy support muscle repair. Lightly sprinkle with sea salt or chili powder, and you have a warm, flavorful snack that's far more filling than chips or pretzels. 10. Air-popped popcorn. Popcorn may sound like junk food, but when it's prepared right, air-popped without loads of butter and sugar, it's actually one of the healthiest low-calorie snacks around. It's whole grain, high in fiber, and surprisingly filling for very few calories. A big bowl of plain popcorn can give you the crunch and volume your brain craves without sabotaging your diet. You can spice it up with nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor, paprika for smokiness, or even a drizzle of olive oil for richness. 11. Chia pudding. Chia seeds may be tiny, but they pack an incredible nutritional punch. When soaked in milk or a plant-based alternative, they expand and create a pudding-like texture that's rich in fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and protein. This snack keeps you feeling full for hours because the gel-like texture slows digestion. Chia pudding can be flavored with vanilla, cocoa powder, or cinnamon, and topped with fresh fruit for natural sweetness. It's an excellent make-ahead snack that you can prepare overnight and grab in the morning or afternoon. 12. Roasted chickpeas. If you love crunchy snacks but want to avoid chips, roasted chickpeas are a fantastic alternative. When baked, they turn crispy and flavorful, and you can season them with spices like paprika, garlic powder, or cumin for extra taste. Chickpeas are high in both protein and fiber, meaning they fill you up and help reduce overall calorie intake. Unlike processed crunchy snacks, roasted chickpeas provide steady energy and essential nutrients like iron and magnesium. They're easy to prepare at home and can be stored in a jar for quick snacking whenever cravings strike. 13. Tuna salad on cucumber slices. Tuna is a lean source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which support metabolism and keep you full. When mixed with a little Greek yogurt or avocado instead of mayonnaise, it becomes a light but filling snack. Placing the tuna salad on top of cucumber slices adds crunch and freshness without adding unnecessary calories. This snack feels like a mini meal, but is incredibly low carb and waistline friendly. It's perfect if you're craving something savory and satisfying without going overboard. Not only does it support weight loss, but it also nourishes your body with healthy fats and muscle supporting protein. 14. Smoothie with spinach and banana. Sometimes, drinking your snack is just easier, and a smoothie is one of the best ways to pack nutrients into a quick, tasty option. A simple blend of spinach, banana, and unsweetened almond milk creates a refreshing, filling drink that supports weight loss. Spinach adds fiber, iron, and vitamins without altering the flavor too much, while bananas provide natural sweetness and potassium for energy. Adding a scoop of protein powder or chia seeds can make it even more satisfying. Smoothies help curb cravings for sugary drinks or desserts and provide a steady source of energy throughout the day. 15. Frozen grapes. Finally, we end with something fun and incredibly simple: frozen grapes. They're sweet, refreshing, and surprisingly satisfying when you're craving candy or ice cream. Because they're frozen, they take longer to eat, which slows you down and helps you enjoy the process of snacking. Grapes are naturally hydrating, low in calories, and full of antioxidants that support overall health. Keeping a bag of them in your freezer means you always have a guilt-free, weight loss-friendly snack ready to go. They're especially great on hot days when you want something cool and sweet without grabbing sugary desserts. And there you have it, 15 healthy snacks that not only taste amazing, but also support your weight loss journey. The beauty of these snacks is that they're quick, satisfying, and easy to prepare, which makes sticking to your goals much more realistic. So tell me, which of snacks are you most excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to keep your health on track.